Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Verse. Hope you guys are doing great. And this is our last morning in Nainital and we are just about to leave. And I just don't feel like leaving this place. This is looking so beautiful and let's see it together. You see, the sun has not come out yet, like behind the mountains, but it's about to come out and we'll be able to see in some time. But and this is the view from my balcony, guys. We've been here for last 3 days, and every morning, this is what I witness. It's so beautiful. I think this can only be experienced in person. You know, if you just see it in videos, you'll not realize the beauty of this ambience. Let me now give you a view, an end-to-end view, basically. See, this is our balcony and this is what we are witnessing from this balcony, from this property actually. I'm going to definitely, revisit this property.
And now we are heading back for Delhi. Oh, not too happy though. Really, I'll miss that place, the mornings, and I think everything that I experienced at that property, at that place. I'll miss all of that so badly. I think the travel is also equally, exciting, and you will enjoy this road trip as well because the roads are well built. Yes, they are steep, yes, they are narrow, but I think if the driver is experienced enough, you will really enjoy the ride like we are doing right now.
Okay, so moving on, this is Bhovali area and this is the only marketplace between Ramgarh and Nainital. As you know, in hill stations, the markets are not very densely scattered. So if you want to get anything, especially if you want to fill petrol or other important things except food, you can get it from here and then move ahead to Ramgarh. You see, the mountains have started now, and you will not find any shop in particular until we reach Nainital city now. So Bhavali is 30 minutes from Ramgarh and Nainital is again 30 minutes from Bhavali. So Bhavali is in the center. Okay, so now we are entering Nainital. You can see there's a checkpoint. As soon as the checkpost is crossed, the Nainital lake starts. Let me give you some details about this lake. So basically, Nainital lake is also known as Naini Lake. Also, the shape of this lake is crescent or kidney shaped. And this is really long, guys. Like, we were driving and still, it didn't seem like to end in a minute or so. At least I think we took around 5 to 10 minutes to cross this lake, but we were driving. So one more thing, since we are traveling in early in the morning, like it must be around 8 or 9 max, so we were allowed to drive along this road, but later when the tourist time starts, you will not be allowed to enter this road by car. You can obviously walk on this road, so you have to park your car and then come back to this these points basically where all these tourist points are located, especially the Naini Lake. Okay, we didn't get down because we were getting this view from our car itself, and as you know, we didn't want to take the risk of corona literally, so we didn't get down from our car. We just enjoyed the view from our car itself. Although if you really want to enjoy this lake, you should take a boat ride. I won't suggest during this time, but still, if you wish, you can take it here. Okay, so the parking is just 5 minutes away from Naini Lake by walk, and this is so big that you will have no issues in getting your car parked. So it was cold, guys, so we had to stop and we took a chai break where we had Maggie plus bun pav as well along with the chai. As soon as you get down from the mountains, Bajpur is the first city that comes on your way. Before we move ahead, let me give you a walkthrough of the Uttarakhand travel guidelines. For entry to Uttarakhand, you no more need COVID negative test report. There is no rule on minimum stay in hotel or homestay. Very important, you must have Arogya Setu app in your phone. The final one, you must get yourself registered on Smart City portal of Dehradun before you travel. Here is the link for registration on the portal, and by clicking on click here, as you can see, you will get this form which you need to fill up and keep a hard copy of the form as well with you.
This is the check post where your documents like online registration and other details will be verified, and then you will be allowed entry. So guys, we took a stopover at Sagar Ratna restaurant, you can see behind, and eat something actually. We're really hungry. We left at 5 in the morning, and since then we didn't have anything. So I guess the first decent place that came our way was this one. We didn't stop at Desi Haveli this time because we didn't find it good enough. Like the food wasn't very great, so we didn't take a halt there this time. So finally, like after covering around 4 hours of distance, we stopped here, and let's see what we get here. And yeah, so let's get inside. I'll take you along with me. So, you know, you've seen in my other video also that I am crazy about these swings, but this doesn't look very neat and good enough, so I'll not be sitting on this time. So let's get inside. So basically this is the seating arrangement, you can see behind me, and Sagar Ratna is like a brand name, so we thought we should try it here, and let's see how the food is. So this is the menu, and we are going to have this masala dosa combo with dahi vada single. Also getting one onion uttapam. This is that. That's it. So this was our order, and it was pretty good. We went ahead and took a group photograph, marking the end of a wonderful trip to Nainital. Please stay connected, and if you wish to see previous 5 parts of Nainital vlog, then you may find the link in description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as we enjoyed sharing the experience with you guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Fashionverse.